after Peter Parker revealed his secret identity as Spider-Man to the whole world. An attempt was made to take his life away by the kingpin of crime, Wilson Fisk. But the bullet meant for Peter struck his Aunt May instead, sent her to a hospital. Now she is fighting for her life, and it breaks Peter. He fears that he will lose his aunt, and it would be worse than the death of his girlfriend, his Uncle Ben, Gwen's father, Captain Stacy, and his best friend Harry. So Peter is determined not to let his aunt die. But he doesn't have any idea how he can save her. MJ shows up, asks Peter if he is okay, but he says he is not, and leaving her in the hospital. Peter goes outside to clear his mind. He drops down into an alley and begins to punch on the dumpsters. But right at that time, he is interrupted by a mysterious man. He knows Peter and the current situation that he is going through, and surprisingly, the man heals Peter's bloodied hands. Peter is surprised as his spider sense didn't alert about the man's presence, so he asks, "Who is he?" So the man replies, he knows him well, and with a bright light, Peter understands it is the God, the one above all. So the God convinces Peter to work with him, and they appear in a park eating hot dogs. But Peter has no interest to spend time with the God, and he blames him for ruining his life. He begs the God to save his aunt, rewrite his whole life, let the spider bite someone else, so he is spared all the deaths that he has experienced over the years. Uncle Ben, Gwen, her father, Harry, he can give up everything, even being Spider-Man, to save his aunt. But the God has other plan, so he takes him to a beach. They start walking. Peter asks him, is being Spider-Man punishment for something wrong he committed in a past life? Is it a test? Because if he is being tested, then let him fail. He is too close to breaking. The God smiles and tells Peter, human suffering is one of the mysteries. It happens for no good reason, and the people who endure it, it doesn't even always make them better. Usually, it makes them worse. But Peter is exceptional. In his case, the suffering makes him strong, drives him to do something good. And then the God shows Peter all the thousands of people that Peter has saved over the years and the lives he has influenced. Peter is surprised, but still, it doesn't change the situation. He is still worried for May. So the God says they all have a purpose, a role to play. So before leaving, he tells Peter to have some faith. He is back in the alley, but for Peter, the future doesn't end here. Many years from now, an old Peter Parker is spending his remaining life with the woman he loves, Mary Jane, and their children, Benjamin and May. A happy family we all want. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.